This video focuses on the troubleshooting guide for the E2 problem of the top-load washing machine. Cause summary. E2 alarm means that the top cover switch of washing machine alarms. The reason for this problem is that the top cover of the washing machine is not closed properly. Solution. First, check whether the upper cover of the washing machine is closed. Close the top cover again. Then press the Start pause key to check whether E2 disappears. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, please contact our higher customer service